In today's video, I will show you how to play chess on Duolingo app using their brand new chess course. It's simple, it's fun, and you can start learning from zero, so make sure to follow along. First, open the App Store or Google Play and update your Duolingo app. The chess course only appears on your version, so make sure you are fully updated. Now, once the app is updated, open Duolingo and tap the course or flag icon in the top left corner. This is where you normally switch languages. From here, you should see a new subject called chess. So go ahead and select it to add it to your learning path. Duolingo will now ask you whether you are a complete beginner or already know a bit of chess. Select the level that matches you, or you can take the short placement test. This helps Duolingo create personalized lessons. Now you're inside the chess course. Duolingo teaches you using quick guide puzzles like how each piece moves, basic tactics, and simple checkmates. Just follow the on-screen instructions and progress at your own pace. Once you complete a few lessons, you can play mini matches or full matches against Duolingo chess coach named Oscar. He adjusts his difficulty based on how well you are playing, so you always get a fair challenge. If you see the button that says play a person or matches, that means you have access. If not, don't worry, it's still rolling out to different regions and devices. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.